What's up, YouTube? Mac Genius here, and I'm actually going to start making videos like this more. So to get started, we are going to be reviewing the Apple wireless keyboard, and we're going to go ahead and get into the review. Okay, the Apple wireless keyboard, pretty nice keyboard. It's basically like the regular aluminum one, but it doesn't have the numeral keypad on the side. It's got all your buttons at the top. This right here is your power button. Turn it off and on. This is where you put the batteries in at. And you can open that up with a pin or a quarter. That's what most people open it up with. Show you. And as you see, it takes two AA batteries. I have rechargeable ones in there. So yeah, you got all your number things up here for your play, pause, turn up, volume, eject, everything like that. The back of the keyboard got your Apple logo there. And yeah, something I really recommend for people to buy are rechargeable batteries. Apple gives you some, if I'm not mistaken. I had this keyboard for a minute, so I don't remember if they give you rechargeable batteries or not. So yeah, buy rechargeable batteries and buy a rechargeable pack. I got a Duracell rechargeable pack, and I really love this keyboard. It's very light and it's very thin, and it's wireless. I like being able to have wireless things. I had a wireless keyboard that just looked like this. It's got the thing on it, and basically it's about a little bit more out than this. So the keyboard overall is a good keyboard. It connects via Bluetooth. And the good thing is I've had this thing on for I've been using it for about 2 weeks maybe. And the battery is still at 100. And I will show you. And as you can see, the battery level is still at 100%. And you know, I turn it off and on. I've left it on overnight a couple nights before. But overall, it stays at 100% pretty well. So I really do enjoy that, and I like that. So overall, if you're planning on buying this keyboard, I really recommend it. And it keeps a clutter-free desk. So I really recommend you guys to get it. So thank you guys for watching this review. And the next review will be on the Mighty Mouse. So look out for that. So thank you guys for watching, and bye.